I'm just at the end of my day in the art room, and I scraped this canvas because I wasn't happy with the composition I did on it. So I've scraped it all into the centre like that, and I'm going to do something with it. I'm going to just add a wiggle of this blue-green, and we're going to just see how simple this fluid art can be at getting some lovely colours and composition. So I was going to scrape this canvas fully off, and then I was going to wash it and reuse it. So I'm just going to see what I can get for just tilting those, basically all the colours that I had scraped plus the little bit of white, and that add some depth with the dark colour. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to get the second canvas, and I'm going to pop it on the top like so, wipe it on my paint jeans, and I'm going to press it all out. And probably the colours may be one big mush, but I'm kind of hoping that it is like an oceany colour scheme, and then maybe I can do something else with the canvas, this little canvas that I'm smushing on there. So I'm literally, because there is a lot of paint there, I'm really sort of pressing it out. Sometimes when I really do press it out harder like this, it leaves like a coral effect on the canvas. So I have no idea what this one will turn out like, because it's literally just putting it on those paints. I'm going to do a swizzle, and I'm going to, okay, suction together. Oh, look at that. It's like an ocean floor. That is gorgeous, actually. So I could, yeah, it's just like an ocean floor. It's beautiful. I mean, it's not so crash hot on there because I've crushed all the paints out, but that's quite nice. I think I should have put a bit of the dark in there as a contrast, but I can paint something in there, or I can do this. I can puddle a bit of paint. Just a couple of spots maybe. Just a couple of puddles. A simple couple of puddles, just with the same colours in there. Might be a bit too much. And then my little straw. Oh, itchy nose every single time. I'm just going to kiss the balloon in. And there you go. We've got a little canvas gift to give. Pretty. This one I will just continue to scrape the paint up. As much paint as you can. I'll get it to one end. Try and do it like this. And then I've got a cup weight in here. Hopefully I don't knock it over, which I've done loads of times. And tip your paint into it. You can reuse that paint then as a base colour for something on another piece. So no paint wasted. You've made a lovely little gift canvas, and I will just go and wipe that over with a kitchen towel and then rinse it off to reuse it. So if you do it while the paint is still all wet like that, so it's getting most of it off. I do not wash the paint down the sink. It'll be out, well, there's not much paint on there by the time I've wiped most of it off with my kitchen roll. Or you can just do this and leave it as a base colour. I mean, that's quite nice to do something else on. So, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, all nice. I'll bring you down and have a look at this little little gem I made here. Or maybe just do few little swirly things, like little floating medallions there. That looks beautiful. Just look at that lovely effect. It really does look like how this ocean makes the sand go into those shapes on the bottom of an ocean. And then those gorgeous teal medallions, loving this. So on with the canvas that I just wiped with my, I poured the paint off. The one you just seen that I poured the paint off and then just wiped the base with a paper towel. So I'm just basically using up some leftover paints, but I just love the colour combo that I've got mixed. So I thought I'll just push on, and it basically gives me good practice for techniques, and you can always, or you might always find the new next best thing when you're experimenting in your art room. So it's a very enjoyable and therapeutic pastime, I find. Nice to switch off all the craziness and the news feeds and things on your computer, and go and do something that gives you joy. Just switch off and go into your own little world of joy. That's what I find when I'm painting. Looking at these colours now, I absolutely just love these colours. They're just really gorgeous. So enjoying working with them and just trying different techniques. This one I'm going to just use basically various techniques in the same pour. So I've done the cut pour and the kind of ribboned the paint, and now I'm doing a chaos blow, and I will finish it off with a nice bloom. So I just think combining techniques is just a really lovely pastime, and you can get some lovely pieces. So watch on till the end, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. So that was enjoyable. Now I'm, you see, I've blown out my floral effect, and now I'm just trying to do something nicer with the centre and create a nice detail in the centre, like petals, which I always find lovely. But look at this is beautiful, and a nice little frame on this, or unframed. It's just gorgeous. So it's a lovely, lovely piece, this. I was quite happy with it when it finished. So keep watching. I'll be down to show you the good bits, and thanks for staying with me. So that was my little combo pour, showing you what you can do. You can combine techniques. So there was just a cut pour and chaos blow, and then some balloon kissing, blowing out some floral effects, and leaving the both techniques on the same canvas. It's quite lovely. The colours are perfect, and the actual depth in it is lovely. I'm really hoping that you enjoyed that little crazy journey. I've been having a day of just experimenting today. Yes, I have been scraping off canvases, starting again, just to keep trying different techniques. So I probably will do something else with this piece. I'm not quite sure yet, but hope you enjoyed the journey, and please stay with me. I am hearing that a lot of my subscribers are not getting notifications, so if you're one of those, please unsubscribe and then resubscribe, and apparently that resets the algorithmy thing. So go from there and see if it works for you. But I just want to let you all know that I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.